So here's some of the wind damage, but just a bunch of tree limbs fallen. One went through my neighbor's car, back window over there. And my car was small enough to stay under the carport. Over here there's a bunch of fallen branches. That one over there hit my wall at 12:30 last night. Scared us. Richard thought it was coming through his window. Took out the neighbor's air conditioning unit. And there's a pretty big limb that came down on top of that building. Broke off that tree right there. Blew down on top of the building.